Hello, today we will be doing the unboxing of the Mealthy Multipot. Now this is an electric pressure cooker. So it's not just an electric pressure cooker, but it has other features as well. So I'll show you that later. It's got a 3 liter container in it. So let's start with the unboxing. I bought this in Amazon. And in Amazon it costed me 7,250, and I also got a bank offer on it. It also has certain other cooking features such as saute, a slow cook feature, etc. Because let me get a knife and open this. So now we are opening up this packaging. Right, so there's a gasket over here. It says extra gasket. So this is an extra gasket which can be used when you want to make a sweet and a food dish. So for a sweet dish you can use this gasket, and the gasket which I will show you later, which comes along with this equipment, which can be used for regular cooking, so that the taste of one doesn't go into the other. Okay, so here, yeah, so this is how it looks. Yeah, and there are 2 spoons which come with it. Okay, so before I open it, let me show you that this is actually the valve which goes like this, and this red knob actually comes up when the pressure is on and then goes back when the pressure is released. Now we remove the lid. This is the lid, and as you can see, this is your valve. This is the cord, and these are the accessories which come along with it. And here we have a sort of a steel kind of a basket. Okay, so this is so that you can do a double cooking, and you can cook on the pot, and you can keep another vessel on this basket and further steam your vegetables or do another cooking. These are silicone mitts which come with it, and it helps in holding the hot pot. We have a steam basket as well, and this can be used for steaming vegetables. Now this is the main pot, as you can see, and this can hold 3 liters, which is ample and quite sufficient for a small family of 2 to 4. So when we cook in this, you can keep, let's say, a dish, vegetables or rice down, and you can keep this basket, and on top of this we can keep a steam basket to cook a second dish. So that's the advantage of this pot. Now this basically contains a heating element, and on this should be your basket, the pot, and then your basket which comes on top of this. Now, as I told you, this already comes with a gasket, and this red gasket is your spare gasket, an additional gasket, and normally smell of the food that you cook comes onto this gasket, and therefore if you're going to make another sweet dish, you can use the red gasket. You can use it as a spare gasket. And whenever you remove this lid, you can just keep it like this so that it facilitates the cooking. So when your cooking is over, or even before the cooking, when you're doing the saute function, you can just put it on the stand and it stays as such. So that's the advantage of this. This again your steam basket. And there are many functions. Now this is a plastic, small container which holds the water that spills out of this hole. So whenever they steam and there's additional water, it goes into this. And this can be emptied as after it is filled. So this is the front panel of your pot. And you can see here various functions are there. And the plus function is to increase and minus to decrease. Then you have pressure cooking, you have the saute, you have poultry, you have meal rice, etc. You can cook a whole variety of stuff in this. You also have a keep warm function which keeps the food warm once you complete cooking in this pot. So this pot is very useful in the sense that it's a one pot function. You can do your entire cooking in this one pot. And rice, for instance, should take you only 2 minutes. Maybe some other vegetables 3 minutes. Maybe beans like your, chole and stuff will need about 20 to 25 minutes of cooking in this pot. So I can give you a further review once I use it, let's say after a couple of months. So please, if you found this useful, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you found it useful and liked this video.